Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts, then remove the inner door panel. Use a trim tool to pry clips and remove 6/8 visible screws, and lower the glass a little if it blocks access. Once the panel is off, you'll see the latch assembly and linkage rods. Take a photo for reference so you can reassemble in the right order. This saves frustration later. Now isolate the failure. Operate the rod and actuator while watching the latch. You'll spot a broken pawl, worn teeth, or bad springs that cause sticking. Next, disconnect the electrical connector and carefully unclip the rods. Note orientation, and remove the 3/4 mounting bolts that hold the latch. After removal, clean the door cavity and the new part with spray lubricant and compressed air to remove debris. This helps the new latch operate smoothly and prevents premature wear. Install the new unit by hand-threading the mounting bolts first, then torque them to spec. Reconnect the rods in their original orientation and plug in the electrical connector. Reattach the inner door panel and fasteners, then test. Open and close the door, lock and unlock manually, and with the remote, repeat 5 to 10 times to confirm smooth operation. If you detect binding or intermittent operation, make sure rod angles aren't kinked and apply dielectric grease to connectors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.